So you want to be a back-end developer? Okay, I am going to reveal the complete roadmap to being a back-end developer. But first, let's talk about who is the back-end developer. Imagine you are in a pizza shop and want to order margarita pizza. You will go to the cashier and say, "Hey, I want a margarita pizza," right? The time is passing, and suddenly you got your pizza. But what happened? That's what I'm going to tell you. There are people that make the dough, and they should be focused on every ingredient and the amount of it, right? I would like to call them back-end developers. And after they finish the dough, they give it to the people responsible for putting the margarita, vegetables, and meat on it. I would like to call them front-end developers. Then they put the pizza in the oven, right? I love to call the oven the API. Then they launch the website, and you get your order that I love to call opening the website. So now you know who a back-end developer is. Now I am going to tell you just 8 steps to be a back-end developer, and I will send you the roadmap that I designed. Step 1. Pick a back-end language. You have options: PHP, Python, JavaScript, Java. But you don't know what to choose? I will help you. If you're just starting programming and don't know the fundamentals, Python or PHP are great choices. They are easy and fast to learn, widely used, and in high demand. They will help you understand the core principles of programming without overwhelming complexity. If you already know JavaScript, I strongly recommend Node.js. This is a great choice if you're a front-end developer looking to become a full-stack developer. Java is a powerful back-end language known for its scalability, security, and cross-platform compatibility. With frameworks like Spring Boot and Hibernate, Java simplifies building enterprise applications and microservices. Plus, its strong community and performance make it a top choice for modern back-end development. Step 2. Learn databases. A back-end developer works a lot with databases. Whether you're storing user data, handling transactions, or managing content, databases are essential to back-end development. There are 2 main types of databases. 1. SQL, structured query language. Databases. 2. NoSQL, not only SQL databases. SQL databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL store data in structured tables with relationships. They are great for applications that need complex queries, transactions, and strong data integrity, such as banking systems, e-commerce platforms, and CMS, content management systems. NoSQL databases like MongoDB store data in flexible formats such as JSON, making them more suitable for applications with unstructured or rapidly changing data, like real-time analytics, chat applications, and IoT solutions. You need to learn how to perform CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete, design efficient database schemas, optimize queries for performance use, indexing for fast searches, checkmark handle database migrations and backups. Start by setting up a local database and interacting with it using your chosen programming language. Step 3. Choose a back-end framework. Now you need to choose the framework that you will be working with. Here are the best options based on the language you chose: Django, Flask, and Fast API for Python, Laravel for PHP, Nest.js, Express.js for Node.js, Spring Boot for Java. Frameworks make development faster, more structured, and more scalable. Pick one and start building projects. Step 4. Learn design patterns. To write clean and maintainable code, learn design patterns. These are common solutions to software problems. Some important ones are MVC, Model View Controller, organizes your application into layers. Singleton, ensures only one instance of a class is created. Factory pattern, creates objects without specifying their concrete class. Repository pattern, abstracts database operations. Step 5. Learn version control. Git version control is essential for collaboration and tracking code changes. Learn Git basics: init, add, commit, push, pull. Working with GitHub repositories, branching, merging, and resolving conflicts. Pull requests and code reviews. Every backend developer should know how to use Git efficiently. Step 6. Master security practices. Security is critical in backend development. Here are the key security practices you must implement. Secure password storage. Always use hashing algorithms like bcrypt or Argon2. Prevent SQL injection, XSS, and CSRF attacks. SQL injection. Always use parameterized queries. Cross-site scripting. iCode XSS. Sanitize and escape user inputs. Cross-site request forgery. CSRF. Implement CSRF tokens. Securing API endpoints. Implement JWT, JSON Web Tokens, or OAuth for authentication. Use role-based access control, RBAC. Always use HTTPS to encrypt data. Step 7. Learn algorithms and data structures. Backend developers don't just write code. They solve complex problems efficiently. This is why you must learn data structures and algorithms. Why? Optimized code, faster APIs, better performance, lower server costs, database optimization, efficient data retrieval and storage interview preparation. Almost every technical interview involves algorithms, data structures, you must know arrays and linked lists, store and manipulate data efficiently, tables, dictionaries, key value storage for fast lookups, trees, binary search trees, AVL trees, tries, used in search engines, file systems, and databases. Graphs, BFS, DFS, Dijkstra's algorithm, used for social networks, maps, and recommendation systems. Stacks and queues, used in undo operations, processing requests, and task scheduling algorithms. You must master sorting, quicksort, merge sort, heap sort, searching, binary search, depth, first search, DFS, breadth, first search, BFS, dynamic programming, used in AI, financial modeling, and game development recursion. Understanding recursive functions is key for many programming challenges. Where to learn, LeetCode, Code Wars, and HackerRank. Practice coding challenges. Grokking Algorithms by Aditya Bhargava. Visual explanations for beginners. YouTube, Abdulbari, NeetCode, FreeCodeCamp, free algorithm tutorials. Pro tip, start small. Practice one algorithm per day and apply it in your projects. Step 8, build projects and gain real-world experience. Now that you have the skills, it's time to prove it by building real-world projects. Why build projects? Shows practical experience to employers and clients. Improves problem-solving skills by applying what you learned. Builds a strong portfolio to showcase your expertise. What kind of projects should you build? Beginner-level projects. User authentication system. Sign up, login, password hashing. Task Manager API. Create, update, delete tasks. CRUD operations. Weather app. Fetch weather data from an API intermediate-level project log platform. Create and manage posts, comments, and users. E-commerce API. Handle products, shopping carts, and payments. Chat app. Real-time messaging using WebSockets, advanced-level projects. AI-powered recommendation system. Suggest products based on user behavior. Real-time stock market tracker. Live price updates and historical data. Event-driven microservices app. Build a scalable architecture with event-driven patterns. How to showcase your projects? Push your code to GitHub. Employers love well-documented repositories. Write a blog or Medium article. Explain how you built your project. Host a demo online. Use Heroku, Versal, or DigitalOcean to deploy your app. Create a portfolio website. Show your projects with live links and case studies. Pro tip, build at least 3 solid projects before applying for jobs. Step 9, get hired and start earning. After building projects, it's time to land a job or start freelancing. How to get your first job. Optimize your resume and LinkedIn profile. Highlight your skills, projects, and GitHub links. Use keywords like backend developer, Node.js, API developer. Write a killer LinkedIn headline, backend developer, building scalable APIs, expert in Node.js and Python. Apply to jobs and internships. Search on LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and AngelList. Apply to at least 5 jobs per day. Customize your cover letter for each application. I want you to do 2 things. Now comment below, and I will send you the roadmap you need. Move your mouse just 3 centimeters to hit the subscribe button. I really put a lot of effort into this video. And before you get started, you need to know why you must learn programming. So click on this video right here.